able to allocate monies, Honorable Speaker, to NGCDF, Kenya shillings, 10 billion Kenya shillings, where every constituency here will be getting Kenya shillings 25 billion to Kenya shillings 25 million to Kenya shillings 40 million every financial year. Honorable Speaker, as we move the appropriations bill, which incorporates whatever we were discussing last week, Honorable Speaker, it is important for members to understand that. I only highlighted the issue of the supplementary because it will be coming along, but the bill we are moving, Honorable Speaker, is for the appropriations bill in regards to the debate that we had last week. Honorable Speaker, I wish to request that Honorable Tongoyo seconds this motion.
Tongoyo.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I stand to second the appropriation budget, appropriation bill, and by approving this bill, it will allow to have the funds appropriated and remitted by the National Treasury to the MDS to enable them perform their duties. So I second, Mr. Speaker.
Order. Order, Honorable Jared. Order, honorable members, I now propose the question, which is the appropriation bill, National Assembly.